Good morning, class 8. Welcome back to your biology classroom once again. Last year already I have started physical changes during adolescence period. Today I am going to start the another point of physical changes, that is increase in height. There is the sudden increase in height due to the elongation of bones of legs and arms. This is brought about by sprouting growth hormones. So basically, elongation of bones during adolescence period is just brought about by the sprout in growth hormone. While girls attain full height by the age of 14 to 15 years. So basically, girls height up to limit age of 14 to 15 years. Boys attain full height by 18 to 19 years of age. Therefore, it is important to eat a healthy diet having adequate nutrients to ensure proper growth and development. So actually we need a proper nutrients to ensure proper growth and development. Next, change in body appearance. In males, the shoulders become broad and the chest become wide. So in case of boys, in adolescence period, their shoulder should be broad and chest becomes wide. The muscles also grow and develop more than in girls. So basically, muscle in case of boys, it developed more rather than in girls. In females, there is widening of pelvic region and broadening of hips. The breast also developed and enlarged in size. So in case of adolescence period, basically in case of girls, breast also developed and enlarged in size, and our pelvic region as well as the pelvic girdle are broadened of hip region. Also in both males and females, hair start growing in the armpits and pubic area. In males, facial hair grows. Next, change in voice. There is growth in the voice box or larynx. It grows more in males than in females. As a result, males developed a deep voice, whereas female developed a high-pitched, shrill voice. So basically, the voice changes in adolescence period. In case of males, their voice, where then female developed a high-pitched voice, but male voice basically transfer into a deep voice. Emotional changes during adolescence. Along with the physical changes during adolescence come the emotional and psychological changes. The brain start thinking and reasoning, and the adolescent start participating in decision making. So basically in the adolescence period, as well as their physical changes, their emotional and psychological changes are occurred. That's why brain start thinking and reasoning, and the adolescents start participating in decision making. In order to adjust to the changes in their body and mind, adolescents often find themselves feeling confused, insecure, and self conscious. They may become oversensitive about their physical appearance. मतलब उन लोगों का जो फिजिकल अपीयरेंस चेंज हो रहा है, इस चेंज को लेके they become oversensitive and confused. As a result, they may feel irritated and lose their temper easily. During this period, interaction with peer also increases. Adolescents may start getting influenced by their peers in terms of how they dress, speak or behave. तो बेसिकली एडोलेसेंस पीरियड में बॉयज़ हो या गर्ल्स बेसिकली दूसरों को ज़्यादातर फॉलो करना चालू कर देता है. इसीलिए उन लोगों का ड्रेस, बात करना, उन लोगों का बिहेवियर जो है वो किसी को मतलब फॉलो करके ही कोशिश करता है नकल करना. Next, importance of personal hygiene. Due to the increased activity of sweat gland and sebaceous gland, there is an increase in sweating. Due to the increased activity of sweat glands and sebaceous gland, there is an increase in sweating. This is cause body odor The skin becomes oily and causes acne and pimples on the face. Thus, proper personal hygiene is important for every adolescent. Take a bath every day. Wash all the parts of the body properly to prevent body odor and bacteria infection. Next, trim the underarm hair and the pubic hair regularly. Physical exercise such as jogging, walking, and outdoor games are necessary for the proper growth and development of the body. A balanced diet also help in the growth and development of the body during adolescence. Next, stress management. Many physical and emotional changes occur during adolescence. This can cause young boys and girls to be tense and worried about some situation. So during different types of changes in adolescence period, so this cause young boys and girls to be tense and worried about something. The means the mental tension or worry caused by problems is called stress. So different types of mental जो टेंशन होता है और वरीडनेस होता है उसके लिए नॉर्मली जो सिचुएशन फेस करते हैं young boys and girls उसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे stress. Some common causes of stress in adolescents are peer pressure, not getting proper attention, examination, pressure to perform well in the academics, and the physical changes taking place inside their bodies. So these are the common factors by which they are facing the stress. What are they? Basically, peer pressure, not getting proper attention. उन लोगों का proper attention ना मिले तो वो लोग मतलब insecure feel करते हैं. Examination का tension, pressure to perform well in academics. Academics में और ज़्यादा score करना, बहुत मतलब रिजल्ट को और भी अच्छा करना, इस दौरान वो लोग स्ट्रेस लेते हैं. And the different types of physical changes they're taking place inside their bodies by which they are feeling stress. Stress helps to prepare the body to meet a difficult situation, but repeated and prolonged stress can have harmful physical, psychological effects. Therefore, it is important to find ways to reduce stress. तो नॉर्मली स्ट्रेस जो है हम लोग कोई डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन को फेस करना सीख जाते हैं, मगर ये अगर लेंदी प्रोसेस में चलता रहेगा तो नॉर्मली क्या होता है, ये फिजिकल एंड साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट हम लोगों के ऊपर पड़ता है. Therefore, it is important to find out way to reduce stress. So we should find out any way by which we can reduce our stress. There are various techniques you can adopt to reduce stress. First one, meditation. Meditation is an activity in which you just sit and allow the mind to be at rest. So by meditation, we get rest. Take deep breaths and make your thoughts positive. So we should thought positive always. Don't think much about the mistakes or weakness. So we should leave our weakness and mistakes. Try to overcome them with positive thinking. So if we do some mistakes, so we should overcome by positive thinking. Next, yoga. Regular yoga will help you to overcome stress. To devote some time to it every day. So we should do some yoga every day. Next, time management. Make a schedule for your studies, sports, recreation, friends and family. Set realistic goals and allot time for fulfilling them. Manage your time efficiently. So अगर हम लोग हर चीज़ के लिए प्रॉपर टाइम शेड्यूल सही से मतलब रेडी कर लेंगे तो नॉर्मली वी कांट ओवरकम आवर स्ट्रेस. नेक्स्ट, हॉबी. Pursue a hobby, no matter how big or small it is. Make drawing, learn music, do gardening and so on. So hobby, actually by hobby we can overcome different type of stress. तो नॉर्मली हॉबी बेसिकली ड्राइंग हो सकता है, लर्न म्यूजिक हो सकता है, गार्डनिंग हो सकता है, एनी अदर वर्ड्स. नेक्स्ट, रैशनल थिंकिंग, adopt साइंटिफिक थिंकिंग एंड टेम्परमेंट. तो नॉर्मली अगर हम लोग साइंटिफिक थिंकिंग के बारे में सोचेंगे तो नॉर्मली वी शुड कंट्रोल आवर टेम्परमेंट. डू नॉट जस्ट फॉलो बिकॉज योर फ्रेंड इज आस्किंग यू टू डू इट. थिंक रैशनली. डोंट enter into unnecessary arguments with anybody. Next, all these techniques will help to keep you away from negative thoughts, thereby reducing stress. So basically, you should just learn the point only. No need to learn in details. So student, hope all of you understood what I discussed in this video. So for today, up to this portion.